Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize tokenomics with Chainlink, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize tokenomics with Chainlink, start by understanding what tokenomics is. Tokenomics encompasses the economic model of a cryptocurrency, including supply, distribution, and incentives. Next, familiarize yourself with Chainlink, which provides decentralized oracles for smart contracts. Begin by defining your project's goals and objectives. Identify the key features your token will support within your ecosystem. Research existing tokenomics structures and similar projects for insights and inspiration. Establish a supply mechanism for your token, determining the total supply and issuance rate. Consider implementing inflationary or deflationary features to incentivize holding or usage. Next, design a distribution model to allocate tokens fairly among users, developers, and stakeholders. Use Chainlink's oracles to incorporate real-world data into your tokenomics model. This can enhance your token's utility by allowing it to respond to external conditions. Make sure to integrate Chainlink price feeds for accurate valuation in trading and exchanges. Develop a clear use case for your token to ensure demand and utility. Incorporate staking or yield farming mechanisms to encourage community participation. Monitor and adjust your tokenomics based on user feedback and market trends. Lastly, ensure transparency in your tokenomics model to build trust with your community. By clearly communicating your tokenomics strategy, you can foster a loyal user base. Continue to evaluate and iterate on your model to sustain long-term growth and success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.